You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these two words, which are often confused one for the other. You can notice that they have a slightly different meaning. Or spelling, I should say. They have a slightly different spelling, but quite a different meaning. But their pronunciations are exactly the same. So let's go through. The top word here with an A, meaning not moving. It's an adjective for something that is not moving, not changing. The British English pronunciation is as stationery, stationery. Stress on the first syllable, stationery. In American English, however, in the US, they say it as stationery, stationery, alright? The bottom word is pronounced exactly the same. The meaning is a noun that refers to material, pens, paper, and so on, that are used for writing or typing. Stationery, British English, and stationery in American English. So those two words have very different meanings, but the exact same pronunciation. It's more of a British English versus American English pronunciation. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Was this any useful? Let me know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.